Before we can start using Trailbot, there are a couple things that need to be configured. One of those is the symbol manager. The symbol manager is needed because between all the different symbol types and formats across multiple brokers, we need to have a way of distinguishing between them. So these configurations help the software know where to go to retrieve quotes, as well as where to send orders. You will see there are 3 columns here. The symbol column, which is the list of symbols, can be sorted alphabetically by clicking the column header. The type, they can also be sorted and grouped by type by clicking the type column header. And enable as well. You can sort by which are enabled and disabled. If by chance you want to disable a symbol, you can simply uncheck it, the checkbox. Otherwise, they will all be enabled by default. The symbol manager comes pre-populated with most U.S. equities. Forex and futures traders will need to add their desired symbols manually. However, this is a quick process and it only needs to be done once. There is a search or add box up at the top here. If you want to search for a symbol at any point, you simply type the symbol in and it will highlight it below. Try another one here. There you go. Now, why would you want to search for a symbol in the manager? Well, there could be a few reasons. One of those, say you're switching brokers and you want to configure the symbols to work with your new broker. Another example, maybe you're using the same broker and you're an equities trader and you want to use the NASDAQ route instead of ARCA. You can make that switch within the symbol manager. You can also add new symbols in this window as well. So to add a new symbol to the manager, simply type the symbol in. So let's say we're a Forex trader and we want to add a few Forex pairs. We'll type it in up top. Select the type Forex and then click Add Symbol. Let's add a few more here. Okay, so we've added 4 Forex pairs to the manager. You can see them here. Now that we've added them, we just have to configure them. So we'll select Euro Franc. Once it's highlighted, we go over to the right side. We select the broker that we want to configure it for. So if we're using Interactive Brokers, select that, click Add Route. Now all we need to do is just enter the exchange or route. So we'll double-click this. For Forex and Interactive Brokers, the route is Ideal Pro. Press Enter, and that's it. So if you click away, click back to it, you'll see that for Interactive Brokers, and for this symbol in Interactive Brokers, it's going to use Ideal Pro. Now, if you're making changes, you're probably going to want to change multiple symbols at once. To do it individually might take a little longer than needed. So you can change multiple symbols at once. There are a few ways to select them. You can select, like in Excel, where you hold down the Control key. You can select multiple symbols there. Or if you hold down the Shift key, you can select all symbols between 2 points. If you want to select a type, so say I want to select all Forex symbols and make one change, you simply click the Select by Type, click Forex in this example, and you'll see it will highlight all 4 Forex pairs. So now that we have all our Forex pairs selected, we want to configure them to work. So we click Interactive Brokers. In this case, click Add Route, Ideal Pro. Now, if we're changing multiple symbols at once, we must click the Bulk Set Routes. Are you sure you want to replace the 4 routes? Yes. And we're done. So those 4 Forex pairs are set to work with Interactive Brokers and Ideal Pro. Now, say you're using multiple brokers. Let's say you're an equities trader, and I want to select all stocks. Now, I use Interactive Brokers, so I'm going to select Interactive Brokers from the list there. Click Add Route. Now, the default route for equities in Interactive Brokers is Smart. And I also use Sterling, and I would like to configure Sterling to work with all equities. So I added Sterling to the list, and I want to use ARCA. And now that that's set, simply select Bulk Set Routes. And now for all equities, it will have Interactive Brokers Smart and Sterling ARCA. If you want to delete by any chance a symbol from the list, you can simply select it, press Delete on your keyboard, you'll get the prompt, click Yes. You can also add symbols to the manager from the main window, which has the added benefit of being able to get live quotes as you add them. This will be done in another video.